Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the aspect ratio of photos on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. To do it, make sure you're in photo mode, then find this second button from the left side on the bottom edge. This one will let you adjust the quality, but not only quality, also the aspect ratio. You can see now I'm in 12 megapixels, 4:3. 4:3 is a narrow aspect ratio. It's sort of like on old CRT TVs or like on older monitors. Then there's 16:9, which is the modern standard on modern TVs. It's the wide aspect ratio. You can select whichever one you like. Remember that the less megapixels there is, the less quality there will be. But honestly, 2 megapixels is, you can see it's 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is exactly what is like the base standard currently on monitors. So just choose whichever one you actually need. Lower megapixels not only have a disadvantage of a lower quality, but also take up less storage. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.